making dinner for my husband and me tonight, and I knew I wanted to make him his favorite sandwich on earth. We've made this sandwich for years in our house, and it's basically just a big meat fest. He's what you would call a meat and potatoes guy. So I'll make the basic sandwich the same for both of us, but at the end, I'll bring out all sorts of ingredients from the fridge and pile mine high with cheese and tomato, and I might even freak my husband out and add some arugula. This is truly a his and hers situation. Okay, I've got some onions sauteing in some butter. I brown the onions and meat separately because I just want to give them both a chance to get some nice color. So I'm just going to coat the iron skillet with more butter. Again, this will not be the last you see of the butter. And season the meat with just a little salt, a little bit of pepper, cayenne if you like a little spice. When the skillet is smoking, it's time to throw it in. Okay, and in go the onions. Give this a stir. And now I'm going to add Worcestershire. Several dashes of Worcestershire. This is a really savory, rich sandwich. And you want to have quite a bit of liquid. Okay, that's good. The kids are gone, so we can get pretty spicy. And I can handle it, so I really go to town on the Tabasco. I think that was exactly 13 dashes of Tabasco. But you can add or subtract depending on your tolerance for heat. And then, just to be extra sinful, a little more butter in the pan. And I'll just let that simmer, let the butter melt, and talk about rich. I mean, this is delicious.
I think she's making my favorite steak sandwich, which is a strip steak sandwich with sauteed onions. It's something we eat not really on a special occasion, but it's kind of more of something we just treat ourselves to. I don't think she would mess with my sandwich. I think she knows that I like it the way I like it, so I don't think she'd mess with it.
I've actually had people make this sandwich for my husband and me, and without fail, the rolls just never quite seem to have enough butter. And they really should be drowning in butter and then golden brown on the surface. You can soften the butter ahead of time and spread it on the rolls, but I rarely plan that far in advance. And then have the rolls, and as you're putting them on the griddle, take it as an opportunity to swipe it along the melted butter. Just make sure it absorbs as much as possible. You know what? I think I'm gonna do another roll for Lad. He's been working hard today and he probably needs it. And look, it fits perfectly, so it's a sign. He needs a second sandwich. Okay, we've got meat on mine and meat on my husband's sandwich, and that's where the similarity ends. Lad would not approve of what I'm about to do. It's totally against his religion. I'm gonna add a couple of thick slices of mozzarella and then a couple of thick slices of tomatoes. And then I'm gonna pile it high with arugula, which is gonna give it a fresh, green, kind of peppery flavor. Yum.
Oh yeah. Oh man, you're stinky. You hungry? Huh?
Lad is totally gonna think this is a sacrilege. Charlie! Oh, hey, honey.
Oh.
What? That one's yours.
No, that's yours. I'm not.